Today's video is specially for those users who have purchased the new Apple Watch Series 9. This is a guide video designed for beginners to understand how to use the Apple Watch Series 9 effectively. I'm confident that after watching this video, there will be no need to watch any other video to understand the Apple Watch Series 9.
Firstly, you need to switch on the watch. For this, press and hold the bottom button for a few seconds. You will see the Apple logo on the screen, indicating that the watch is starting up.
My Watch 9 is connected to my iPhone.
You also need to connect your Watch 9 to your iPhone because I'm going to open the Watch app on the phone. This will help us explore and learn about various settings and features available for your Apple Watch. If you don't know how to do it, then tap on the I button to learn it in simple steps. Let's start with the navigations. In the Apple Watch Series 9, you have two buttons on the right side and a touchscreen to control the watch. This is the watch's home screen, and if you press the digital crown button, it will bring up the app drawer, allowing you to choose any app. Tap on any app to open it. Pressing this crown button again will take you to the home screen, so you can say it home button. You can use the crown button to scroll up and down, and holding this crown button for a while will activate Siri, your watch assistant. And the best thing is that you can use Siri without the internet. Other than this button plays an important role. If you're using multiple apps simultaneously and need to switch between them, just double press the crown button. All the recently used apps will appear in a line. You can see I can scroll through each one with my finger as well as with the help of the crown button. To select any of them, tap on it or swipe left to remove it from the list. The other button allows you to access the control panel, offering quick access to important settings. After a few minutes, I will explain the complete control panel in detail. If you press and hold this button for a few seconds, you will find options to turn off the watch. On the same screen, you have the option for emergency calls and the compass backtrack feature. If you double press this button, you will open up your wallet's card and passes. To turn off the watch, simply cover the watch screen with your hand and the screen will go black. To wake the watch screen again, you can tap on it, press the crown button or raise your hand. On your Apple Watch Series 9, you will receive notifications similar to the iPhone. To check them, swipe down from the top to open the notification center. If you tap on a notification, it will open up, allowing you to read the message and respond to them. To reply, scroll down and tap on Reply, where you can choose from various quick replies. To convert your voice into text, just tap the small microphone icon. It is a convenient way to respond to messages quickly without needing to take out your iPhone. You can call back on any missed call notifications. When you're done, you can clear the notification by tapping on Clear All. You can customize your watch face according to your preference with the Apple Watch Series 9. To do this, hold the watch face for a few seconds until it becomes smaller. By swiping left or right, you will find more options for the watch faces. At the end, there is a plus icon. Tap on it to add a new watch face to the list. You can also edit complications and colors based on your taste. Now let's take a look at the control panel. Just press the side button and it will bring up quick settings. If you scroll to the end, you will find the option to edit them. I'm tapping on Edit to include all quick settings to explain one by one. Here, above the icons for quick settings, you will see a red minus icon and a green plus icon. If you tap the red minus icon, the setting will be removed from the control panel. But if you tap on the green plus icon, the setting will be added to the control panel. I'm going to add all the settings to the control panel, so I'm tapping the green plus icon for each. If you see an icon in blue, it means that the corresponding setting is active or turned on. Now, let's look at the first setting in the control panel, which is the Wi-Fi. You can configure it to turn Wi-Fi on or off. Tapping it will toggle Wi-Fi on or off. If you tap and hold, you will access additional options to connect to other networks. The second option is highly beneficial. It enables you to locate your iPhone.
This feature functions by sending a loud chime to your iPhone, making it easier to find, in case if it is lost or misplaced. If your Apple Watch Series 9 is close by, the screen shows a general direction and distance to your iPhone.
The next quick setting is for checking your battery percentage. When you tap on it, the battery percentage will be displayed on the whole screen and your watch will also see an option for the low battery mode. If you're not using your watch much and want to save more battery, simply tap on the low battery mode option. This will deactivate the always on display and restrain certain sensors. On the right side of the battery percentage, there is a bell icon that allows you to mute your watch. Below the battery percentage, you will find the theater mode icon. Enabling theater mode silences the watch and turns off the wake-up screen. The screen remains dark until you tap it, ensuring that the watch doesn't disturb you. The next feature is fun and it helps you to connect with your contacts. This is the walkie-talkie icon. The walkie-talkie requires that both the participants have a connection. If you open walkie-talkie, you need to select a contact to talk to. When the connection is stable, just press the walkie-talkie icon on the watch screen to talk with your contact and release it to listen. If you tap on the next D&D icon, you will find various modes such as Do Not Disturb, Sleep Mode, Study Mode and Charging Mode. You can choose the mode that suits your needs, helping you to avoid disturbances and conserve battery life. Below the D&D icon, you will find the Airplane Mode icon. Tapping it will disconnect you from any network. On the right side of the D&D icon is the torch icon, which provides light in the dark. It has 3 levels of brightness and includes a red color option. Beneath the torch icon is the water lock. Enabling the water lock seals the speaker to prevent water from entering and the screen won't respond to touch. To turn it off, press and hold the digital crown. It will make a noise and then the screen returns to normal. The next icon is for connecting your device. If you tap on it, it will display all the devices linked to your Apple account and you can connect a new device from here. The following icon helps you to adjust text size. There are 2 more quick settings, one for controlling hearing device volume and another for school time mode. School time mode is useful for students as it disables all the smart features, turning the smartwatch into a regular watch. To turn off school time mode, press and hold the crown button for a few seconds and a pop-up will appear. Tap on exit to disable it. If you have the cellular version, then there will be more quick settings in the control panel related to the cellular network. These are the quick settings in the control panel. Next, I will provide you information about the settings. Tap the crown button to open the settings app from the app list. At the top is your name, which is your Apple ID tab. If you tap on it, you can view your personal information, sign in, manage security settings and handle subscriptions. At the bottom, there is additional information about connected devices. Below the Apple ID section, you will find notifications. You can adjust notification settings from here. Below notification, you will find journal settings, including information about the watch specification, software updates, orientation and various other settings.
There is a lot that you can do with journal settings. I will cover solutions to common problems in upcoming videos. If you face any issues regarding Apple Watch Series 9, comment below and subscribe to this channel for updates.
Now let me share some commonly used settings. When you scroll down, you will see the Bluetooth icon. Here you can connect any device. Use your earphones to connect them to the Apple Watch Series 9 and enjoy your favorite music directly from your watch. To adjust display and brightness settings, use this option. From here, you can customize brightness levels, text settings, and other options like always on display or wake up screen settings. Next to it is the app view. You can change how your app drawer looks by selecting either grid view or list view. Moving on, we have accessibility and Siri settings. Adjust these settings to make navigation easier and simplify tasks. Here are the sound and haptic settings. You can change the volume, haptic strength, and even the prominent haptic feature. With prominent haptic, you will feel a stronger vibration when you receive a notification. Scrolling down, we come to passcode settings.
You can set up a passcode for your Apple Watch and enable Unlock with iPhone. If your phone is unlocked and nearby, it will unlock your Apple Watch. If you take the watch off your wrist, it will lock and you will need to enter the passcode again.
Next is the Emergency SOS feature. You can set it up so that in case of an emergency, pressing and holding the side button will call emergency services. It is a valuable and important feature to have. This helps a lot of people in fall detection and crash detection.
Here you will find more additional settings related to health, activity tracking, wallet, sleep, music, cycle tracking, and journal tool settings like clock, compass, and calculator. I will discuss all the things in a separate video and it will help you to understand easily. Now, move on to other applications. You can install applications on the Apple Watch Series 9. There are amazing apps that can help you to unlock the full potential of your Apple Watch.
To do this, press the crown button and tap on the App Store. Here, you can search for the app you need and tap on Get to install it on your watch. To install apps on the watch, you need to enable a passcode because installation requires verification on your Apple devices. You can set up your passcode by tapping here in simple steps.
If you're into fitness, this watch is beneficial as the Apple Watch Series 9 is known for providing accurate results.
Open the Activity app from the app list. It records various activities like the time you spend standing and exercising, the number of steps you take, and the distance you cover. You can set your daily goals by tapping the plus icon. Another app is the Workout, where you can choose from various different workout modes. It has many sports modes and the list is visible on the screen.
This watch also features auto-detect workout, which means it can directly recognize your workout activity without you having to tap on the watch. Similar to activity and workout tracking, this watch is renowned for its health and monitoring capabilities. There are numerous health metrics you can measure with the Apple Watch Series 9. Many users consider health tracking to be their favorite feature on the Apple Watch.
In the Apple Watch Series 9, there are separate apps for blood oxygen, cycle tracking, ECG, heart rate, medications, and mindfulness.
Each app works differently and measures various health features with the help of sensors. Importantly, these features are accurate and the watch continuously measures them 24 hours a day.
Another amazing feature is sleep tracking. Here, you can get comprehensive data about your sleep, including sleep stages, total bedtime, and more. You can set an alarm based on your sleeping habits, and the watch also measures your body temperature every 5 minutes while you're sleeping.
With the Apple Watch Series 9, you can make calls and read your emails. In the Bluetooth variant, it is necessary to connect to an iPhone for calling, while in the LTE variant, you can make calls without keeping the phone nearby. For these features, you have 3 separate apps: Contacts, Mail, and Call. These apps help you to stay connected with people by using your Apple Watch Series 9.
Another useful feature is the Maps app, including Google Maps. You can easily navigate from one location to another using these applications, making your life more convenient. Now, you don't need to handle your phone to check your maps. Just use your wrist for this task.
Trust me, this can be the best assistant for your daily life. There are more features on this compact Apple Watch Series 9, and I will explain each one briefly in the upcoming videos. So subscribe to this channel and tap on the bell icon to stay updated. That's it for today's video. How did you like it? If you have any suggestions or issues you would like to share, then please use the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.